Alright, let's get into it. Alright, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dan. Today we are talking photography. Now I know this seems a little off topic, being that we are a carpentry landscaping channel, but bear with me, photos are so important. And this world consists of the gram, Facebook, Pinterest. These are places that people go for inspiration, to check out your portfolio of work, and to see if stylistically you align with them. It's just so important to showcase your work to the world, and more importantly, showcase it to those potential clients that are in your area looking for a tradie. Most of our work comes from either word of mouth or social media, and the first thing that people do is jump on our website. Now, I am always getting compliments about our website. People saying that our website looks awesome, but what they're really saying is our photos look awesome. Man, our website is some basic shit. It's only got like 2 pages on it, a home page with a contact form and a gallery page. But people love it. It's not the website that they love, it's the photos that they love. So today, I want to teach you guys some basic photography tips. If you're a carpenter, a landscaper, contractor, tradie, just to showcase your skills, put them on Instagram, feature them in your website, get more clients, get more jobs, make more money. You don't need a crazy expensive camera, although it is nice, but you could definitely get by with just a smartphone. I want to talk about the rule of thirds, which is how you compose your photos and what you put in the frame, making your horizons nice and level, trying to keep your vertical lines straight, and just some basic editing of colors. I use Lightroom Mobile. It's free to use. If you want to have some of the more advanced features, you've got to cop up a little bit of money, but you can definitely get by with the free version. I think we should take a closer look at how I do it on my phone, and yeah, you guys can follow along as well. Alright, we've got a vertical shot which will work well for an Instagram story. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I've got my grid lines on my camera. I'll try and highlight it in post, but basically this is telling me what's plumb and what's level. Now I can sort of line them up with these steps, and now I know that it's level. Super handy and saves you a bunch of time in post trying to correct these mistakes. So now that I know everything's lined up, just hit the button, let Samsung do its thing. Now at the moment the highlights look really blown out here. A mobile phone these days, you don't need to worry about it. So check the highlights here, it looks blown out. Now when we go into the photo, it's recovered all this blue in the sky, which it's brought it all back. So yeah, it looks, I mean, this looks pretty damn good straight out of the camera, no editing, no nothing. So let's head back into Lightroom and just see what we've got. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing is applying the Viking pop preset. It's just a preset that I've made. I'm happy to share it with you guys. I'll leave the links in the description below. The second thing I'm doing is getting my levels and plumbing up the photo. So I'm using the pergola and the steps as reference points as they are level. Third thing I'm doing is cropping it, cutting out anything that's not adding something nice to the photo. And that's it. Save it to the device, export it, and it's ready to upload to social media. It's that easy. Alright, so you've taken some photos with your smartphone. That's the easy bit. The smartphone basically does all the work for you. All you need to concentrate on is getting your levels and getting it nice and plumb. Once you've nailed that, then comes the editing. Now, there's kind of 3 ways to approach this. The first way is you learn how to do it all yourself.
I do it myself. No one taught me. I was like,
you've learned how to use Lightroom, and the only thing it's going to cost you is maybe a small subscription fee and a bit of time. The second way you can do it is use a professional. But this is going to cost you money. Could be a couple of $1,000s, but you're going to end up with some awesome results. It's just you don't always have a couple grand in the budget, maybe a smaller job, so that's not always the way you want to go. The third option, and the one that I think is a good starting place if you're new to photography, is to use some presets. Now I'm going to hook you guys up with a couple free presets. I'll link them in the description below. And basically you just apply that to the photo, you do some minor tweaks, maybe straighten things up, and export it. super easy, super simple, and it will get you your results nice and quick. All you have to do is import the preset into Lightroom. There's a ton of videos on YouTube explaining how to do this. That's gonna get you in the right direction, and then you're just gonna need to make some minor tweaks and you're good to go. Okay, let's assume that you've downloaded Lightroom for free. You've got your preset loaded. Now let's jump into the editing process using my preset. I'll show you how it's done on this tablet so it's easy to follow along. Alright, so first things first, let's fire up Lightroom. I'm using this tablet here just so you guys can see it nice and easy. But you can do this on your mobile phone. Got a bunch of photos here of a job we completed. Let's scroll down to, say, this one here. I think this one's pretty cool. I think I can make it a little bit better though. So all you need to do after you've installed my preset is go to this column here, select the second one down, which is the preset tab. Under this, you go to user presets and Viking pop. Now, it's fairly subtle, but that's just giving this photo a little bit more pop. It's made it stand out a little bit more, and I just think it makes it look a little bit more fresh, a little bit more clean. So this is the before, this is the after. Now it's pretty subtle, it's just those little things that are gonna make you stand out from the crowd. So, I mean, you may be happy with this photo, and if you are, you can just export it. However, there is one other thing that's kind of bugging me, and that is these posts. They're not really upright. They're not plumbed up properly. So, in order to fix that, click back on the photo. Preset is now applied. In your adjustments tab here, you go down to geometry. Once you're in geometry, you can do one of two things. You can let the software do it for you by clicking here and going to auto. Now the software's made a guess, and it's a pretty good job, I don't mind it. For more accurate results, I like to do it myself, so let's undo that. Now what I do is select these two little lines over here and pick a point that should be plumb. Okay, so that is post number 1. Post number 2. Like that, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm happy with that. So you hit done, jump back into your photo, and yeah, that's it. Everything's nice and plumb, everything's nice and level, and it just looks that little bit more professional with only a minimal amount of work. So this is the before photo. Notice the posts. This is the after photo. Now I think you'll agree the after photo just looks that little bit more professional, and this is what all the professionals do to get these results. Now once you're happy with this, click back on the photo, go to the share button, save it to your device, and you're good to go. You're now ready to upload on social media, your website, use it for your marketing, whatever you need to do. If you found this useful, please like, please subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.